Current, you can assume current here, not mentioned. Okay, let it be in this direction. Instead of asking at the center of the semicircular wire, is asking at point P. This is the O. Okay, try this. I think guessing not possible. Huh? We should fight with the mathematics. I think, do we have any formula to find out the field? Do we have any formula? First of all, no, there's no formula. So then what we do, take help of biot law, assume a small current element. Assume a current element. First, define the field due to current element at point P. Then take help of the mathematics, how you can bring the quantities. Okay, let's take the circle. Yeah, fine. So let's take there's a point O. So here the current I. Let me choose a current element here. Let it be DL. So this distance is what we have equal to R. But he's asking something at point P is asking. Take this one. So let this be the point P. So let this be the point O, A, that one. So let me, where I picked up current element, let it be A. So here, this is theta. This is theta, this should be theta by 2. This should be theta by 2. Now this is R bar, no? R cap, what all you want. AP bar will be R bar, position vector. Because here there's a current element, IDL bar. So, and what is the angle between current element and the position vector? I think that angle is what needed by Savart law. So this angle, let me call, say some alpha, I'll write it. So what is the angle between R bar and IDL bar is alpha. It's the angle is what needed. So directly now write the Biot-Savart law equation. dB is equal. Then we'll come to know what to do. Mu naught IDL angle between current element and R bar is alpha sine alpha by 4 pi R square. So what is R square? PA is R square. PA is R and OA is capital R. So how OA and this will be? The angle between OA and this dotted line, this will be a tangent, no? Tangent drawn to the circle. So definitely what is alpha? We can write it as 90 minus theta by 2, because theta by 2 plus alpha should be 90, because this is the normal, no? And this is a tangent. What is the angle between normal and tangent for a circle? 90 degree. So here theta plus 2 alpha equal to 90 degrees. So alpha equal to 90 minus theta by 2. So bring R also in terms of theta from the basic mathematics and manage the problem. Now what is dl? Dl should be equal to R d theta. I'll draw one more circle. This is what? dl equal to, from looking at this, dl is R d theta sine of alpha is 90 minus theta by 2, 4 pi r squared. What to replace with r? Smaller 2r cos theta by 2 whole square. Anything you can apply. So here I'll write it 2r cos theta by 2. Substitute this. Let me write that also. Now solve this. Now what should be the theta? Limit
minus pi by 2 pi by 2.
Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, or you assume one more symmetric element. One more symmetric element, 2 into 0 to pi by 2. So let me put limit as minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. This is theta equal to 0 degree line. Anybody value? Wait, I'll check the question. Yes, I think options available or not, I don't know.
mu naught I by 4 pi r log of root 2 plus 1.
We'll check it here only. Options available, no? Mu naught I 4 pi r log of root 2 plus 1. Yeah, that will be. So this should be the final answer. Mu naught I 4 pi r log of a field somewhere at a point other than the center, no, semicircular wire can be asked. So you should be very careful about the mathematics, nothing to do with physics. So always stick on to the biot savart law, that angle between current element and R Those things are what you should make observation. The rest all after that mathematics. So that angle between current element and position vector, that has to be designed properly in the problem. If you can identify that, rest of everything will be very easy for you. So what is alpha? Basically angle between current element and position vector. Similarly, the same application problem I'm